show. So I think it's loading now. So you can see credit limit up to 1 million naira. So get limit. So you can see this page right here. So you can also see, if I click on get limits, I'll be able to see how much I can actually be able to borrow inside Opay app. So this everything right here is powered by Opay, but not Opay itself giving you a loan. You understand? So Opay itself is not actually giving you a loan, but they partner with uh platform that can actually grant you a loan without any difficulties. That is exactly what I'm trying to let you know. So this method, you can actually use Easemoni to borrow money from their platform. And you can also see they have high amount of loan. You can also see they have a lower rate interest, and also multiple payment option is also available. And we also provide important notice, Opay wallet and bank transfer limit update. So you can see they partner together with Opay, so they actually make everything more easier for anyone who is actually interested in borrowing money through the Opay app. So this is exactly what I actually want to show you. And sometimes you may not see Easemoni or see another uh, uh, loan app. I actually forget that one. It's also available on Play Store as well. You may also see that one. Just click on apply loan if you are very much interested in getting loan. And I will also advise you to always read the terms and condition that I just click. It's just because I'm not ready to borrow money, that's why I just click. So I'm not interested in borrow money from this platform. So you can see